What's up, everybody? I got kind of an old school VW Passat here for us. And she's pretty clean. She's an SE flavor. Got some leather and some heated seats. This is the old 5-cylinder, which I actually like this old motor. Let's crank her up. Oh, yeah. 143,000 miles. Looks like we have a couple of light bulbs out. But this is a clean little unit. Service now. Time for an oil change, yeah. 139, yeah. Time for an oil change. So, looks like we're a little low on fuel. Does this thing not have a backup camera? Oh, you're kidding me. It's 2013, not have a backup camera? Gotta be kidding me. Seems a little ridiculous, but Volkswagen's always been a little slow to do things. They seem to always be falling behind. A lot of people, especially the car magazines, they didn't like this 2.5, but man, this is actually a good engine. It's a time and chain engine. And I mean, as long as it's just been, half-ass maintained, they last a while and they run good and they're good cars. But people beat the piss out of them and don't change the oil, but these are pretty good, solid rigs. I've always enjoyed a late model VW. And this little baby, boy, look at that star in the windshield. This little baby was made right here in Chattanooga. The Chattanooga plant here, Volkswagen plant, we got us a big facility here. Real big. So, yeah, we're gonna check our AC. We need to check our AC. Oh yeah. Runs very well. Runs very well. Ooh, I like the sound of that 5-cylinder. Air's getting cold. Nice little rig. She doesn't have one of them sunroofs, but that's all right. I kind of prefer them without. Because if there's ever been a leaking sunroof, it's in a freaking Volkswagen, man. They leak like a damn sieve. Let's do a little walk around, shall we? I mean, this car is clean, but they, you can tell they detailed it. Detailed it. The seat's not really doing any cracking like these older ones do. Tons of leg room in the back seats of these cars. If you've never ridden in one of these Passats, they have the largest back seat. I am seeing previous paint work and body work. I can see it right there, plain as day. Not the best job, but on a cheap flip car, if this is cheap, it could still bring 5-6 grand, who knows. Got good looking coolant over there, nice and pink like it's supposed to be. Just humming right along. Got decent Kumo tires on her. Not bad, not bad. No door dings. I mean, this thing must have had some paint correction because it doesn't have a door ding or a scratch anywhere. But it has had some low rent touch up. You know, they didn't even replace that bumper. They just, I don't know if you can see those scratches. They just painted over them. You know, we got a little overspray. But like I said, overall not bad really for you know, an inexpensive car at this price point. I mean, if it was a 2020 Passat or something, I'd be like, nah. But it's a 13. Yeah, that's all right. That won't hurt my feelings much. She's a good looking rig and drives good. We got a low tire light, just daytime running light, low gas. The only warning light we have is for the one of the bulbs is out. Very common on these Volkswagens, the bulbs burn out. Like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time. Peace.